Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes raw partition repair and recover files. Fix Windows cannot recognize file system. Right-click Start button, click Disk Management. Disk drive is raw. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type chkdsk. Find disk drive letter, /lan, space, /f. Open File Explorer, open disk drive. If any errors, follow step 2. Right-click, click Properties, click Security tab. Click Advanced, click Change Owner, add everyone. Check Replace Owner on subcontainers and objects. Right-click Drive, click Properties, click Security tab, click Edit. Add everyone, give full rights, also give full rights to administrator and system. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.